What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at a nutsack. What? Yes. Wow, that was on cue. Did you hear that? Nutsac bag. That's what we're going to deep dive into. Yeah, gross. So, if you're familiar with Nutsack, we have featured them numerous times on the show, and I want to say that they are a friend of the show and reached out and sent us their double admin leather. And I got to say, if you're an EDC enthusiast, or if you're just looking for like a tech dot kit kind of thing, this is tactical. It's got some MOLLE in it, so you can organize your EDC. It works great for a lot of stuff. Matches the Jones line. This is one of my favorite all-time bags from anybody, really. I've carried this quite often. Just looks professional. Full grain leather, metal hardware, just beautiful overall design, and this just matches it perfectly. And I can stuff this in. There is a just an admin pouch, a smaller version of this. This is the double admin, so you're going to get a little extra space, and organization, and some clips inside of it. So let's take a look at it. As you can see here, full grain leather, just gorgeous. Got a little Nutsack logo on here. Yes, that is the actual name of the company, Nutsac Bags. Gotta love that, right? You've got some D loops on the back here, so if you want to attach this onto another piece of carry, you can, or you can attach other items on here with some carabiners or some hooks or whatever you want to do. So you've got some options with the D loops here. Again, the zipper is high quality. You've got some leather pulls and good premium hardware. Stitching is amazing. It's just one great looking manly EDC bag. Alright, that's what I'm going to call it. It's for double admin, but it's tactical. So let's go ahead and open it. You're like, what the hell does it look like on the inside, right? Well, here we go. And again, this works for all sorts of stuff. You don't just have to use it for tech. Okay, I'm using it for tech. But you've got knives, if you want to store knives in this. You want to store tools like multi-tools, just a combination. Maybe you just want to throw all your EDC garbs in this and just go for it. But I'm using it for a tech dop kit, basically, right? This is everything that I need, that I just don't want in my bag just laying around, getting all tangled up or everything like that. So as you can see here, we've got 4 organizational pouch inside of here, 2 on each side, and then we got the MOLLE loops right in here. Great for cables. So I just you always have to have like a bunch of cables, right? And I'm not talking just like USB-C, Type A, micro, all that. I actually have like video cables in here, and there's so many different ones anymore that you've got to get to use, especially if you're carrying some other gear that requires it, like portable monitors or gaming systems or whatever. And you got like the HDMI to HDMI mini, or the micro HDMI to HDMI. There's just so many of them, right? You got lightning, thunderbolts, all sorts of different things that you've got to have with you. So why not use these MOLLE and organize it? As you can see here, that's what I've done. I've got HDMI, I've got different kind of cables in here, all the way. So what do I put in my pouch? Well, I've got some chargers. So like I've got this Nomad dual USB-C charger, and then over here I've got an Anker charger. So this here actually is a battery bank also. I've got a wireless, so if I got the Apple ecosystem, got the watch, the AirPods. I've got a foldable 3-in-1 charger that Apple really didn't do very well on. And then I've got like a USB-C hub with all my ports in the middle. And on this side, I do have a Satechi. This gives me a couple more USB-C ports, 4 to be exact, 2 on each side. Very good tool if I don't want to go all in and use this behemoth. If I don't need all this, well, I don't need it. I just got that little guy here. And then I also even have hey, I don't want to use my full, I got this guy, USB-C. It gives me a micro SD card and regular SD card reader onto this one. So I've got some options there. Don't always have to bring out this beast. This is the one, like, hey, I got to have a lot of stuff going at once, right? Or, I mean, I got HDMI. This is kind of my middleman. If I'm using a portable display or I need an HDMI hookup and different kinds of C and Type A and everything, this guy is the multi-tool of USB-C hubs. And I actually have done a video on that. So after I clean out all that, then it's just cables, right? So, and I still have a couple cables that I haven't put in here yet. They're in with the other products. I'm going to put them all in here. So I've got all my display cables and my power cables and my data cables, all that in one place. And what better place to store that than in my Nutsack double admin EDC pouch. And I'm going to call this my tech DOP kit. And again, it matches the ecosystem of the Jones line perfectly with this nice leather look. And if you're familiar with Nutsack, they have a lot of other different bags. They've got kind of a waxed canvas bag, leather, and wax canvas, just gorgeous bags. The last bag you'll ever buy. These things last. They're so durable. They just last. I mean, you could put these things through all sorts of beating up and roughness and tumble them, and they patina. They're like, hey, give it to me. There's a battle scar for these things. It's just amazing how well Nutsack produces their bags. And I'm telling you, if you're looking for a bag that's going to last you forever, these here, I mean, just look at this on this bag here. Thick, beautiful hardware. Just look at that. Built like a tank. These things are just great hardware. They're just not going to break. They're not going to wear easy. They're going to last you a long time. This is the best bag company that I would recommend out there. And we have a long history with them, and they're a great friend of the show. And I'm not saying do this, do that, or anything because of that. I am being honest. I carry Nutsac bags all the time. I have different ones, and I love them. And I said, this has been you can see it's got battle scars. It's been all over the place. I was doing some court work for a while, and I was actually going into court carrying this. I look like a lawyer. I'm not an attorney or anything, but man, I tell you, I look professional walking in with that thing around my side. It was nice. So why not have all your tech organized or all your EDC organized in a manly Nutsack bag? I'll have a link in the show notes where you can pick these up. If you have any questions about any of the other gear, throw in the comments. I'll try to find some stuff. Some of this, I don't know if it's still available. Some of it is. Some of it isn't. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when we release new content. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.